7-foot Bolaji Badejo, a Nigerian design student and one-time actor, wearing his costume from the now classic sci-fi thriller Alien, 1978. The remains of the astronaut, Vladimir Komarov, a man who fell from space, 1967. Wounded combat dog during action, on the Arote Peninsula, 1944. The construction of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, 1937. An American evacuee punches a South Vietnamese man for a place on the last chopper out of the U.S. Embassy during the evacuation of Saigon in 1975. Finalizing the Fat Man atomic bomb, which was dropped on Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. Surveyors and builders working on the Hollywoodland housing development pose for a portrait beneath the sign erected to advertise the site, 1923. An American soldier helps a woman leave a cave during World War II. Boxing match aboard the USS New York, July 3, 1899. Bride leaving her recently bombed home to get married, London, Nov 4, 1940. A Chippewa Indian named John Smith, who lived in the woods near Cass Lake, Minnesota, claimed to be 137 years old before he died in 1922, photo taken in 1915. A dude gets arrested for growing marijuana in the mid-70s. Couple viewing the Apollo 8. Spacecraft launch, 1968. Marcia Pinkenfield, 6 months old, who won a very unusual competition and was chosen as the most beautiful child in America in 1927. Telephone lines go up in Cortland, Kansas, 1903. New York City, September 11, 2001. Italian traveler Attilio Gatti with 2 hired pygmies and a gorilla caught by them in the Belgian Congo, 1930. Dr. Heinz makes an injection of fluids taken from a live hair to a person, which, together with ultraviolet radiation and gymnastics, should lead to rejuvenation. Berlin, 1925. Bushy ladies of the 70s. Wife uses towel to cover husband's face at the beach. French Riviera, 1974. Muhammad Ali vs. Sonny Liston, Neil Leifer, 1965. The first passengers on the newly opened New York subway, 1904. Man making lipstick tester in the 1960s. England, 1940. Children wearing a mask of Hitler and one of Charlie Chaplin. Marilyn Monroe, filming her iconic scene in The 7-Year Itch. This shot was taken in New York in front of a large crowd of bystanders and pressed to create hype, 1954. The Last Public Execution, by Guillotine, 1939. Hungarian Jews selected by the Nazis to be sent to the gas chambers at Auschwitz concentration camp, 1944. Jenny McGregor, arrested by Minneapolis police on April 10, 1924, for dispensing alcoholic beverages from life preserver flasks. A group of men posing in front of Lynch's slave market, St. Louis, Missouri, 1852. A young Hitler cheers the start of World War I, 1914. Soviet troops scrawled graffiti in the Reichstag after they took Berlin. In 1945, Tsar Nicholas II allows his daughter, the Grand Duchess Anastasia, to smoke.